Feelers. Today we're going to answer a question from one of our gut feelers. Lele is her name. She asks, she has problems with her upper respiratory tract and she has a lot of mucus coming up. She's doing celery juice and all the good stuff, all the cucumber juice and eating a clean diet, but it's not getting better, and she's doing all of that since 5 weeks. And she asked me, what can I do? What is this mucus about? Please help. What I answer here in this video right now for you is a takeout from one of our live Q&As, and I answered that question for her: where's that mucus coming from for Lele, and also what can you do to support your body even more, to detox, to cleanse? How can you make all of that easier for your body? If you enjoy these kind of questions, these kind of takeouts, let me know now in the comments below, so I'm happy to produce more of that. And now let's hop over to the answer.
I have too much mucus since 5 weeks now. You're doing celery juice, lemon water, cucumber water, Jesus, and zinc, but nothing is helping me. I stopped eating dairy, gluten, eggs, meat, and sugar. Wow, amazing, wow. Great. So 5 weeks, Lele, is not much. What often happens, so mucus, basically the body produces mucus to support, to bring out toxic waste, and to also protect itself, to protect the inner organs, the membranes, from anything that is toxic. So may it be pathogens that are still alive or pathogens that are dying because you're doing all this good stuff. So it can be both. It can also be a cleansing reaction to have mucus for a little bit of time. It can be a die-off reaction if you're not eating all of those bad foods, but you have a lot of toxic heavy metals in your body. They might come out now. So I would go for spirulina as well to answer your question. Because that's one of the best ways to transport out toxins once they are released from your liver, from your intestines, to really, basically spirulina is like a sponge. It's also super dense in nutrients, but it also helps to sponge of toxic heavy metals and any debris from dying viruses, from dying bacteria. If you want to go like 1 inch further, what I do with my one-on-one clients, usually like after a few weeks of working with them, I get them on a rebounder. Now, a rebounder is, first of all, it's really fun. It's like a mini trampoline, which helps to move your lymphatic system. You might think, like, what does it have to do with my lymphatic system? Your respiratory tract has a lot to do with your lymphatic system because it's like your lungs. It's one of the detoxing pathways. You have your liver, super big detoxing pathway. Then you have your respiratory tract, so this is your lungs especially. You have your lymphatic system, you have your kidneys a little bit, and then of course the gut as like a secondary detoxing organ. So what you do with the rebounder is you help to get toxins out faster, yeah, by moving your lymphatic system. Okay, hope that helps. Let me know, Lele.
Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. That was the answer that I gave to Lele's question, why does she have so much mucus in your body? Now I will have 2 questions for you that I love the answer for in the comments below. Question number 1 is, do you enjoy these kind of short clips, takeouts out of the live Q&As? Is that something you enjoy watching? Let me know. And question number 2 is, what are you working on right now? How do you detox and cleanse your body at the moment? Which is your tool, your main go-to tool? Is it celery juice? Is it maybe lemon water? Is it rebounding? What are you doing? Let me know in the comments below.